Second, problem or reasons or strong points. This is a main paragraph. You can start the second paragraph with a thought provoking question. Underline that question. Based on the topic given in our example, we can write the following question. Can we imagine our life without the internet? Then justify your stand. Otherwise, you can begin with the meaning of the topic or explain the topic in one or two lines. Then you are to mention the problems being faced in this regard. You are to mention the current situation, reasons to support or oppose the topic you are having a debate on. Make sure that you are clear with your thoughts. Present your arguments in a sequence. It is possible that you have too many points or very few points. Choose the best ones out of many.
As already told, that this is the main paragraph of debate writing, and we are to give a thought provoking question. It may happen that in the examination you may not remember any thought provoking question. There is no need to panic. We should not write any thought provoking question. We may start directly with the meaning of the topic and explain that topic, what are its benefits, why you are in favor of that particular topic or against that topic. You are to give the reasons for the same.
You can use some phrases or words to write in favor of or against the emotion. A few examples of such phrases and words are given below. Moreover, or despite, or nevertheless. Some people argue that I strongly believe, I strongly agree or disagree. Let me first explain what the meaning of this term is. The evidence shows, in my opinion, I feel, I would like to draw attention to. In fact, you can find many examples. I think or I do not think. Let me explain my point of view. The main reason for this is third, solution. This paragraph needs to be short. You are to give a rational and practical solution for the given problem. If you have a definite solution, you can write for every problem there is a solution. In case you are not able to give one particular solution to the problem, you may give few general ones. It could involve spreading awareness campaigns, stringent laws, and their strict implementation, education, etc. You should use expressions like wherever there is unity, there is always victory. Every situation can be faced and solved if there is unity. Unity is strength. United we stand, divided we fall, and many more. Fourth, conclusion. This paragraph should be short and precise. You can add some glitter to your debate writing with some quotes like the word impossible itself says I am possible. You are to give your opinion in the concluding paragraph. You can write in this way. To conclude, I would once again firmly like to say that then you are to give your opinion or by now you would have realized that. At the last, we should also thank the audience for being such patient listeners.
It is one of the important paragraphs of debate writing, which should be short and precise. And at the last, when you are concluding the debate, you are to choose any of these two or any other way in which you can conclude, in which you have to emphasize the topic, why you have that is, you are in favor or against that point. You are to write that clearly again. That is, if you are in favor of a particular point, say, should capital punishment be abolished? So here you will write to conclude, I would once again firmly like to say that capital punishment should be abolished. Please don't forget that we are to thank the audience at the last for being patient listeners.
We must be aware of the marking scheme in the examination. Debate writing may be of 10 marks or 5 marks and it may differ from state to state. However, broadly the marking scheme will be as under. Number 1, format, opening address and conclusion will be of 1 marks. Number 2, content will carry 4 marks. Number 3, expression will be of 5 marks. So, grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spellings 2.5 marks, or coherence and relevance of ideas and style, including proper presentation 2.5 marks. So, total 10 marks.
From country to country or state to state, the marking scheme of debate writing may differ. It may be of 5 marks or 10 marks. If it is of 5 marks, then the format will be of 1 mark, content will be of 2 marks, and the expression will carry 2 marks, and the total will be 5 marks. Our main purpose is only to let you understand the importance of each and every paragraph of the debate writing.
There are certain things which we should do in debate writing. Number one, write down all the points, 1 or 2 words per point in a rough sheet so that you do not forget relevant points while writing and it will help you in maintaining a sequence. Number two, double check for grammar accuracy and spellings. Number third, underline the main points is very important. Fourth, leave an adequate space between the paragraphs. Fifth, always have a few general quotes in handy. Sixth, read a lot of debates to get an idea. Next, there are certain points which we should not do while writing a debate. Number one, never mention your personal details, that is, name, school name, or address. Number two, never write in one go. Use proper format and make paragraphs. Third, do not exceed the prescribed word limit, for example, 150 to 200 words. Fourth, do not invest too much time in this question. Keep in mind time constraint. Fifth, do not use slangs or short forms or abbreviations. Sixth, do not write the wrong facts. Seventh, views to be expressed either for or against the motion and not a mixed response.
Here, there are certain things we should remember while writing a debate. We are not to mention our personal name or school name. If in the question paper the name is given, we are to write that name, otherwise, we are to write our name as ABC. Next, we are not to write the whole debate in a single paragraph. We are to write the same in the proper format in the form of paragraphs, as already told. We should also keep in mind that we are to solve other questions also. We should keep the word limit between 150 to 200 words for debate writing. So, if it may happen that we may not be having much to write on a particular topic, we should not feel panic. We can solve this question after solving other questions where we remember more. Next point is we should not use slangs. Slangs means there are certain uh, words which are used in your local language and may not be understandable to the other person who may be living abroad or in other district or in other state. So we should not use that type of words. We should use that words which are in use everywhere. We should not use abbreviations like that. It may happen that you may use abbreviation it's. It may also mean it is, or it may also mean it has. So we should not use such like abbreviations. We should use proper words. We should not write wrong facts in our debate writing to support our opinion. Please note that the teachers who check our answers are in that field for so many years. Even if they find that a particular fact is whether wrong or true, they may search for the same on Google or other site. So never try to mention wrong facts. If you don't remember any fact, leave that. But never try to mention wrong fact. If you remember any true facts, only mention that. Otherwise, if you mention wrong fact, that may carry negative points and your debate may be marked as cancelled. So next point is we should always make our mind whether we are to support the motion or we are to write against the motion. We should not take a mixed stand. At the same time, we are writing in favor of a topic and also taking stand against or favor the motion. We should take only one stand. Whether we will write for or against the motion.
Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.